question 18, and we've got a triangle here. It's not a right angle triangle, okay, so I can't do any Pythagoras or SOHCAHTOA with it, okay, but I do need to work out the length BC. So what that means is it's either going to have to be the cos rule or the sine rule, both of which are written on the formula sheet in your book. Now, the way you decide which one it is if the question involves 3 sides and 1 angle, including the thing you're looking for, then it is a cos rule. If it's 2 sides and 2 angles, then it's a sine rule one. For this one, we're looking for BC, so that's a length we're looking for. We've also got 2 other lengths and 1 angle, so we know for this one that it's going to be a cos rule. Okay, so let's start by writing out the cos rule. So a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a. Okay, we've already got letters on the diagram, but sometimes, you know, you just have to make sure that the thing that you're looking for is going to be the A for this one, okay? It's always that the angles and the sides are opposite each other, so if this is capital A, this is little a, so it's absolutely fine to use the letters that they've got on the diagram, okay? It's also going to mean that because this is big C, I've got a little c here, and I've got a little b here. If those letters didn't correspond, you could just swap them around, and that's absolutely fine, as long as the opposite match. Different ones on there, okay? So, subbing that in, I'm going to get, instead of a squared, I've now got x squared equals b squared, 45 squared, plus c squared becomes 60 squared, minus 2 times b times c cos of capital A, which is 110. And you can put brackets on like that. Alright, I'm going to stick all of that into my calculator, so 40, probably should have done that before I started playing the video, but never mind. 45 squared plus 60 squared. I can't even press the buttons now. As you can see, it is getting quite late on in the day, so I'll blame that as a reason why. 2 times 45 times 60 times cos 110 equals 7,471 something. So let's write that all down. 7471.9 . Now, I don't want x squared, I want x, so I need a square root to get rid of the squared bit. So square root of answer, and just do it on your calculator, root answer, don't try and type everything in. X is equal to 86.4. I'm not specifically told what to round it to, so I'm just going to leave it to that 1 decimal place, so 86.4 kilometers.